Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know. Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. Hey Paris, blessed Tuesday to you all. Yeah, welcome once more to the Jamaican Debit Strain. I am in the country, St. Mary. And I like that Baxby with there. So, we there with Uncle Murphy, Workman, and Dad. Wanna say good morning now? Uncle Murphy phone and ring.
Morning.
So, me go flip the camera you know and show no what go on. So family, we are go some winding road there now. How we are heading for now? Junker Spring. Yeah, we are heading to Highgate. So we are going to take a different route. We are heading some winding road there now. We are heading to Junker Spring. So we are showing a little part of that journey we will never see yet. For us see what go on, don't know a country there. See the road, hills and valleys and all of that. And we have some cloud over there so. You see the rain will build up every day rain up here so you know. Straight back so till the end of October, early November. That's how it goes right here in St.Mary. Yeah, winding road and all of that. Jamaican Debit Strain. So when we reach at another part of the road where we don't have so much winding road and we have a little more life, we show you what's happening or what is gonna happen today. Hope you're all having a blessed day. And whenever you get to see this video, you will up in your bed, cock up, and I watch where Debbie I go on with down at Jamaica, yeah. And look here, it look like we reach Junker Spring. We are at Junker Spring Square. So up the Sour Terrace, Pear Tree Grove down. That road there got Pear Tree Grove. So we are on our way now, down from Junker Spring. We're going to Flint River now. So catch you in the next clip. Another little part of the road now, Parry. That tell them where they cause me not understand in a Paris. That come from St. Elizabeth and me carry that come from St. Mary and that know everywhere around here. And we don't know a place them. That which part of they tell them where they. Oh, but a good thing we make you tell them. So we are going around Barracks River Road now. You can see so the road stay bad. Whoa, you watch Panda piece here. Uncle Murphy gone down in a glory.
Yes.
Up back again. Wow. So we are on Barracks River Road now, going on to Zion Hill, right Dad? Me have to ask. So I can't see rain and fall up and see broke the landslide them. Country people say broke where? All I know we come from country. I can't no back to no roads. Country people say broke where? But the current name is landslide. I don't know all know that. So nobody wanna hear me say Brockway. When I come, who? I don't know Brockway. Yeah, it's the same thing as landslide. Okay? I wanna know say me real. I'm gonna wrap up. My country thing and my country thing. I'm gonna forget where I come from, you see me? So wow, Uncle Murphy dropped down in something there. Wow, Uncle Murphy, take it easy. So right up top there is the back part of Zion Hill Primary School. Right there. So we're going on now to Zion Hill. We are at Zion Hill, right? So at Zion Hill Square this?
Yeah,
okay. So we are turning up one road there, so near Orange River Road, heading on to Marlborough. So we're at Zion Hill here now. Right? So all of you when know a family and come from around that place here. So this is Zion Hill Primary. A primary and junior high.
Yeah.
Zion Hill Primary School, where we used to come do common entrance when we come from the little school them. Yeah, we are heading on to Marlborough. Highgate we are going about. Guess what? All I know the area. The straight road from Richmond to Highgate is under construction for a few months well now. So we have to take this alternate route. I'm not telling a lie, them go on with a look thing. The road not too bad, Uncle Murphy, don't?
No.
A long time I not coming now. So with that Marlborough here now, we're heading on to Highgate. All I know we come from Marlborough, no big up on yourself in the comment section. Because I know sound know. Yeah, Marlborough this and up here not looking bad. It's a decent community. Them have all Netflix and Flora up here. Flora must run sitting up here. Yeah, Marlborough. I go now look a feel at the Marlborough district. But I since them fix the road I dig up where they so. But them never do it good. Them never put nothing to take off the water off of the yeah man, the rain fall, but them they should have put the table. You know, see they not table over there so. Look why table on the road flat. Yeah, see the power you can see. If it dip man, the table if it dip make the water run in high. And here Uncle Murphy engine under pressure because we are go up on steep hill here. Hills and valleys, my there. You don't hear me say I come at St.Mary. I am in the hills and the valleys. And when you see the camera dance, Uncle Murphy dropped down in a road. That's how the thing's set. Alright, so when you reach at a point, yeah, everybody I get called in a vehicle. Okay, now we are at Highgate. Say Highgate. What place on name again? St.Mary High School. You see it? Yeah. So we're there. We are going up in a Highgate town now, Barry. Uncle Murphy, you do it wrong, you know. All right, that's time to turn. Watch you now. You see him? Oh my God. We're in Highgate now. Yeah, right up in a Highgate town. Today are Tuesday, so not only pop bus not up here. I mean notice the people they have on them masks and them are give money over there, so not me I go over there. Look at things are going over there, so. And if you give me like how me I confront town, gentlemen. Yeah, so this look like a some sand pit. Ah, them black and all them saying, oh, I the one I wanna buy from. I don't know so. Oh. So gas station. A gas station that yeah man. Credit union. Yep. Wholesale and supermarket. And all of that. Police station. Right there. Jamaican National Bank. Right there. Yeah. And all of that.
Richmond.
Yeah, I'm not gonna Richmond, my youth. Bueno. Okay, I get square with the clock. And the clock it look like it now work. I get I still I get market this data. I get market. I will enter from the back. Yeah. And all of that. Yeah. Okay, so we are in Highgate now. Yeah. We are moving on to one little place out here. And all of that. So when we reach at the point, Coronation Bakery, a little of bread. Up there side the post office, I get post office. So when we are at the point, Paris, me bring you back in. Uncle Murphy, you have any lotto number for buy? Plumber, you buy lotto? Dad, you go hold on something. So we are going at one of the hardware area. So Uncle Murphy's going to little park, and we're going into the hardware. So we'll catch you back in a bit, fam. Wow, I ditch ya. Whoa. So Paris, we come out of Highgate town now and I'm heading up by the house to see if any of the guys are up there. Then supposed to be. So Uncle Murphy, I go down do. Murphy, make sure your brake ready, you know. I'm not up in I carry with you. Yeah. So which part we do? They're on Marlborough Road now, coming back from Highgate. We never get vlog not much up in Highgate. No social distancing up in the town. And as you see it in the congested, because the place started getting congested. And the hardwares, I made have to switch from one hardware to another. And all of that. And all the political complicated happenings. But in the end, we finally get through. I spent almost 3 hours there, which I did not plan for. So when we reach up at the house, one day that ditch again, but all this on a cross drain. Them, if them did do this good, it wouldn't come out and they just dig up, you know. Them not do it good, you know. Because it's supposed to come out of this and go down, you know, the something right this other side, you know. Oh Lord. Them not do it good, man. So yeah man, the rain a fall, you know, Parry, and the road work, them not stand up at all. Me don't know what happened. The road them dig up and them just resurface. So I don't know what's happening. Me I go see what me I go down here now do. Yeah. Peer break, Uncle Murphy, a break, peer break. No pray for way, pray for way. Road bad break. And look there, rain has set up as it reached 12. It's like a little past midday now. And a rain this. But anyway, we'll catch you in the next clip. So Parry, I am up a mama now, but me don't have a time yard. Me not reach up a island them yet. So in the background there, the guys are using power saw. So see Alan Laundry, this thing, I'm not know say me reach here yet. Look a bike. Look a rider come off of the hill. Take your time out. Alan Laundry sheet them. And all of that pan line. Down a bottom yard. And let me show you now that I'm here. This is the Aurelia bush. Remember I showed you that bush that I picked? This is Aurelia. This is what we call Aurelia. And comment if you know it. Somebody asked me, is that Aurelia? I want to look a bike stunt at this. Let me see if I can catch him. See him there? See him there? See him there? My stunt in a country. Watch him laugh. My practice. Him look a stunt. So this is the Aurelia. Good cold bush enough, Parry. Good cold bush. This is what you saw the leaf them. But a lot of people have it. Me see them have it as edging. But I don't know if they realize how much of a good medicine it is for colds and flu and so. So long time I not come to the bottom here down here. Want to clean up because it rain. A lot of rain, family. A lot of rain. So with them now do nothing much down here from the other day because the rain and yes it start open here, but everything's so alright down here. So when the rain are falling can't down here, man. So this is what is happening. And you see all the bush them are grow up there, so. And all of them something there, so. Now go up at the house, go check them guys. And the background breezy saw. I run him so hard. To get them little money and stuff. So one nice sickle banana, yeah. Yep. Young banana. Alan production. And all of that. So, next clip, Parry. Big rider in a bush, yeah. Hey. Parry that down in a gully, I pick up mango. When I reach up to them guys yet, them up at the house there. That down in a gully, you see mango a gully in a bush. Mango down in a bush there. That I walk a look mango. And you can hear the thunder in the background. So watch the tree up there so with the go upon it. You see it, but it's too far. Me can. Yeah. Me even zoom up on it and go see it, Parry. Yeah. Place wet man and mosquito. You know? But the breadfruit them enough. But me not stop for pick no breadfruit today because me a run late because me they get hole up at the hardware. So I that a go on. So I'm backing up a go on down a gully here to make a stone wall. Want if it's set for make a stone wall, you know. So we are back up something for make it set, but That are different, something that are not for camera, you know. So, brush them up on the tree, brush them ready. And right down the gully, they smell like country, Parry. Right down in the gully, it just smells like country. But just like when I was a little girl, you come down in the gully and that come them time. It's about like after 3 in the PM. I can smell. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but all the people who are born and grow up country, yeah, can tell you that it feels good. And it feels like country. It smells like country. Breadfruit all over the breadfruit them ready. And the rain upon them are going to ripe off quick, you know. That are the thing. That are the thing. And the place I grew up back in the bush, so. Yeah. May I see over there, so I see some. The calabash, or the gourdy, makes the calabash. So, I'm going to make them guys, when the time dry up, I'm going to make them guys show you what it's like. Pick it from the tree. The gourd that makes the calabash that you see people eating, and most time are dreadlocks people. Yeah, we know about that too. But when we did liquor, my mother used to say, you have kids, anybody know about that can comment. That can, you know, I'll reach 2-3 years and them not talk fluently. 2 twos, my mother give them look something for drink out of calabash. Then talk chat, comment if you know about that. A Jamaican little myth, but it is true. And a lot more of them are true. Country breeze, you feel it. I soon start showing you the little grass, how they are blossoming. And you know it's directly Christmas. When you see it reach October going down, I'll show you the grass, them how they bloom. Then you know Christmas. Definitely feels like Christmas here. Christmas breeze a blow. Yep. I just have a different feeling from Paris. You all don't understand. Me have a different feeling. Very different feeling I'm feeling right now. As when I was a little girl back in the country and it come them time of evening here. And you come home. Yes, it is a different feeling that I'm feeling right here. I'm remembering as I was a little girl and this time of the evening, the kitchen would be down right here where I'm standing. Yep. Come home from school. Yep. And it, when it comes this time of year, you have this different feeling. That's this cool breeze comes around on you. You know it's coming to the end of the year. And them smell, I don't know what kind of smell, I can't explain it. But it's just that. And for the longest while, whenever they're so late in the evening, I've never been here at this time of the year for the longest while. So I'm feeling it right now. So I go check in with the guys them and just cut and pass through. Because pass me, I pass through. I'm not tarry. Catch you. So Parry, me finally reached to the men them larger curry you wet.
Bad.
Yeah, them never see us yet curry.
Bad.
What go on for you, Alan?
Yeah, man, we there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we there.
Curry and Alan tear up. Alan, what do your foot happy on you?
Yeah, man, we kind of panning up.
Yeah. So me just come in and me not stay. Me go do some business and me a pass by. Yeah. And then there them a work. And them alone there today.
Yeah, man.
And so on. So see them syrup in a buckle there with ice or ground. And Alan having giant curry have for you too. Yeah, I want to talk to them about all the weed Anglo no work at the time, but I go do a video with them and tell the people where the weed really at the phone. No?
Yeah, man.
You understand? So you know the people them not decent we are cut. We are cut and you know so them have to sue no.
I'm Rasta know that say manners and respect to all of you know. And that to talk to you and heal you up every time. Yeah, man, I'm more love, you know, every time to the people, them and respect. All on this, you know. One love, every time.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, and big up auntie.
Yeah, so that way, just that are the guys that we get today.
Yeah,
farm because today never work out as planned, but
yeah.
You know, though, as we go along, more vibes are gonna roll. The rain kind of slow down things, you know? Yeah. Yeah, but we have to do what we have to do. So far, we are going to 3 Mile Bridges with the pan. We are back in the city. And we are going under 3 Mile. Under the bridge we are going. Come here for watch your boy. So we are going, and where we are going, under the bridge there. Yeah, but anyway, a 3 Mile is. See bridge up at the top part. And we they and I bottom. I don't know if I and I can't know what it is.
Road up there.
Yeah, road up there, I know them know man.
Road there bottom.
Great, so a three ways in. So work over now. Work is over now and we are back in the city. And some rain fell in the city. Yes, shortly. Well, less than 2 hours time curfew start. So we beat the curfew. Fam, so up. You did just enjoy this. The vlog, the second run today was just mostly like for business. Mostly business. And we left late. We left the city late because of certain things. And then we got held up too. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I don't know, say Jamaica road this. Right? So I hope you did enjoy and all of that. And we catch you again sometime soon on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. And then never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Gentlemen, no, I say bye.
Yeah, man. Bye,
Yes, sir.
bye.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Family, bye.